Very much just getting up for the first time. Hope you're having a good day, night, morning, whatever you're having. Today's gonna be a good day. I skipped school today, so yeah. I don't know where the dog is. Let's go find him. You out here? No. Oh shoot. It's cold. I swear I hear something. I don't know. Oh God, it's cold. Look over there. There's no trees. Crazy. Oh God, my feet are cold. I don't have socks or anything. Perfect timing, because I'm getting way too cold. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Ah! Let's go inside. My feet are cold. Yeah. Yeah, you're cold too, aren't you? Better choose some food. Eat up. They said that there's muffins for me somewhere, but I don't... Oh, here they are. Okay, they look good. So, where am I? I have to go let the cows out. God, it is cold. Come on, bud. We'll be right back. Oh, shoot. Oh, isn't it so cold? Oh, there's ice on the seat. Crap. Well... Look how big you've got. Okay. This is nasty. Oh. Whoa. Shut up. We got the 3 cows up, and we got her. She's watching the kitten, and she'll like get her head really low, so she thinks that she doesn't look as big. She doesn't try to scare, and then there's those things. Ah! Shut it up. Knowledge. But I just finished eating really good sandwich. Ah, that's a needle. Probably shouldn't step on that. And now I have to go work, so I gotta get dressed real fast. I'm gonna turn off this. Look, it's cool right here. Yeah, looks cool right there. I do this way too often. Like, it's Wednesday, and I didn't end it. So basically, I don't know. A lot of crap been happening, but stay good. Just stay good. Stay good. Stay there. Stay good. Stay good. Remember that. Always remember that. I don't have pants on. Crap, I thought I stopped recording, I swear.